Hi everybody, this is a prelude to our annual conference called MK Confluence Ideas for Tomorrow. In this conference, we are inviting 100 plus companies to showcase what is happening on the ground. At this juncture, we think that there are multiple factors that are driving growth. Over the past 2 years, we have seen very muted corporate performance, and the initial indicators suggest that there are impulses that can actually resurrect sales growth of companies, largely driven by high spending by the government, some improvement in commodity prices, and a sort of a reflationary policy followed by both government and the RBI in terms of accommodative monetary stance. So all those things are there. We believe that these things will drive sales growth and corporate performance going forward, notwithstanding the fact that we also anticipate that rise in commodity prices with a lag could impair margins for several companies, and hence we bring about a whole gamut of companies cutting across multiple market caps to give an assessment to the audience how things are panning out. Over the period of 2 days that we are doing this conference, that is August 18th and 19th, we are expecting about 300 investors, largely institutional investors, including domestic mutual funds, insurance companies, and foreign investors. And over the two days, we will be having something like 3,000 odd meetings. MK is known for identifying companies very early in the lifespan and identifying value investments for investor over a longer period of time, and hence roughly about 50% of the companies that we have invited are in the space of mid cap, in the space of small cap, and balance 50% represents large cap and mid caps. So there is a healthy mix of mid cap companies, and a lot of ideas can be generated from small cap companies as well. There are two other things that we are doing. We are doing two panel discussions, one on banking. The banking discussion is called New Era of Banking, and the second one is on farm sector, which is also very pertinent because the government has sort of promised to double the farm income in the next 5 years. So these are the two topics which are very relevant from what could happen in the years to come. On the banking theme, we think that there is a considerable metamorphosis that is happening as far as competitive landscape of the BFSI segment is concerned. So we have increasing share of private sector banks. There are public sector banks which require recapitalization from the government. There are a lot of consolidation that is happening out there, and there are NBFCs which are also gaining market share in the retail segment, and many of those will actually be looking to convert themselves into banks. And also there are payment banks which are also doing very niche kind of work within the banking sector. So I think there is a considerable amount of change that will happen within the banking sector, and with the reinforcement of the banking sector, we think that it will be relevant to understand how the sector will support growth going forward. So we have an eminent set of personalities who will be talking about the themes relating to banking. The second one is on the farm sector. There again, the challenges of how the government could actually double farm income in the next 5 years is something that is very pertinent from a rural economy standpoint. So the strategies of the government, the policies of the government, and what is the underlying reality, that is again something that will be debated and discussed in the second theme. The 100 plus companies that are expected to be there in our conference would capture roughly about 18 trillion rupees worth of market cap, and that is about 43% of the market cap for BSE 200. Within this 100 plus companies, roughly about 50% will be representing the industrial sector, which is very important because industrial sector has been reeling under a very difficult time over the last 2-3 years. 37 companies, or roughly about 40%, would be representing consumption, which we believe will be the fulcrum of the next growth cycle in the visible future. And 22 companies would represent the services sector, largely dominated by the banking and financial sector. As I said, we have a gamut of companies representing large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Large cap companies would be represented by companies such as TCS, HDFC, Sun Pharma and M&M. Mid cap companies will be represented by companies such as Mahindra Finance, Dish TV, Kajaria and Voltas. Small cap companies will be represented by Capital Trust, Advanced Enzymes, Kaya, Talwalkar, Indian Hume Pipes and companies of similar size.